Hi everyone. I really enjoyed the process of my last video, researching a new topic, planning a small proof of concept exercise, and then recording everything in one 15-minute take. So I thought I would try something similar again, and this time I'm going to make an SQL database. I've decided to do this project with Python and SQLite because, and this is a strong candidate for my catchphrase, they were free. Let me start with some background on this example. A power takeoff, or PTO, is a mechanical system that diverts some of the power from a truck engine to make it available for other useful work, such as turning a winch or extending a piston. In my magical, simplified practice world, you can make a PTO by throwing together a flange with a certain number of bolt holes, a clutch mechanism, and a pump rated for a certain horsepower into a box and shaking it just right. To facilitate this precision rattling, I first planned out the database in Excel. Each of these values is actually a reference to a simpler table for pumps, clutches, and flanges. To get up to speed with SQL, I followed along with this online tutorial and consulted this useful article on foreign keys, the all-important function that allows for cross-referencing between different tables. With that information, I made two programs to set up the database and its tables to have the same information as the Excel version, as shown in this utility from sqlitebrowser.org. Some information in the power takeoffs table is stored as a foreign key, so I made a program to follow these cross-references and generate a human-readable report. Now let's use our database to select viable options for a new PTO application. Our engine uses, say, an 8-bolt hole flange, and we need at least 80 horsepower. So we can first query our flanges table to see that the 8-bolt hole option is stored in index 3. Then querying the pumps table shows that pumps 1 and 3 meet the horsepower requirements. We can query the power takeoffs table to find all our products that use that flange and one of those two pumps. Finally, we compare that to our human readable report to show which 3 PTOs could be right for the job. That should be everything on this project. I'll include links to the files I made and the resources I used in the description in case anyone wants to try it out for themselves. I'm excited to keep growing these skills, so hopefully I'll be back soon with more to share.